Please remember this video is meant to be a crash course on how to write a number in scientific notation. We'll take a couple of shortcuts, but this should not be the only thing that you're using to learn about scientific notation. This should be used as a refresher course. So let's write this number in scientific notation. Normally, what I tell students is go through and find all numbers that are not zero and put a box around the first number that's not zero all the way to the last number that's not zero. If there's any zeros in between, you just take it up there like it's in a fishing net and they got caught and went along for the ride. So here we go. We caught all the numbers that are not zero, and there's a zero that's actually stuck in the middle there. Always put your decimal after the first number that's not zero. See that 7 going left to right is the first number that's not zero. Next, we always make it times 10 to the, and here's the question, what should the exponent be? Well, in this case, we're going to move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. So I'm going to say, hey, it's to the negative 7th power. When we move the decimal to the right, we use a negative exponent. What about if we're using a very large number and we have to write that in scientific notation? The same idea applies. Go fishing for all your numbers that are not zero. Write down those numbers. Okay, the 0 got caught in the middle of all those non-zero numbers, and so it came for the ride. Put a decimal after your very first number here. So 1.023 times 10 to the, in this case, I've got a decimal down here, an invisible one, and we're going to have to move it, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12. Because I moved it to the left, it would be a positive exponent. That's a quick crash course. Good luck.